Had a way to make it work and find another route.
So I decided to move this picture horizontally because I don't know if y'all can see, but there are like holes in the wall and like the paint or something might be off. So I just wanted to do it like that. So when I do my lives, you won't be able to see that anymore. So I probably have to slide it over a little bit more and you won't be able to see that. So that's why I did that. What's up, everybody? Get your butts up. Let's go out and party. Girl, shut up. I ain't had nothing to come back with. I was like, wait a minute. I ain't got nothing. I don't have to do that. I'm gonna have to do that again. But anyway, we about to eat some oatmeal. So, yeah, my dishes was dirty and they were left over. Probably the night before last, okay? Or the night before that. I don't care, okay? Because see, when you by yourself, you can do what you want to do. You ain't got to answer to nobody. But they clean. They nice and clean. And guess what, y'all? Because y'all didn't come back into the comments and tell me. Maybe y'all did. I didn't check my comments on that video. But my gnome is right here. She's, well, he. I don't know if that's a he or a she. Well, whatever it is. I read, somebody said it looked creepy. But anyway, it's guarding my books because those books have recipes in them. So here she is guarding my recipes. But anyway, I'm getting ready to have me some coffee, some leftover coffee, okay? And I'm gonna eat my oatmeal. So we're gonna add some coffee to said leftover coffee. Let's see if this gonna work. But y'all, it's a snowy day. It's supposed to be like 100% snow in a little while. But guess what? She trying to get back outside in the streets, okay? I'm tired, but life goes on, right? There we go. We're going to get some leftover. Give me that leftover. Give me that leftover. It's good to me. It be so good. It be so good. And I don't want it to spill over. Is that hot? Okay. All right, let's get this oatmeal. Because the oatmeal looking good. Looking good. Let's get some of that over here. I'll catch back up with y'all in a minute. Uh-oh, I done spilled some oatmeal. I'll be back. All right, y'all. All right, I'm back. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, oatmeal be hitting. I forgot one thing, y'all. Let me go get some cinnamon. I don't know how I could have forgot. You just wake it all up. And cinnamon good for you. If you didn't know, you know now. But God, let me tell y'all something. I got a letter in the mail. I know I went over 5 seconds, but anyway, I got a letter in the mail talking about in my community, there is, look at it now, that there is lead, that we might have lead in our pipes. And I'm like, really? And then it was saying you gotta take your phone and scan this little app thing. And I guess they'll come, everybody got the letter. So I'm thinking, it was telling us if you even boil the water, it ain't good. If you filter it, it ain't gonna be good. And I'm thinking like, wait a minute now. I done spent, this cost me $270 something at that time. That's when pandemic was going on. What's that, 2020? Was that 2020, y'all? Or what year was that? 2020 or 2021, 2022? I don't remember. I think 2020. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, I'm thinking like all this time I've been using that. That's how I get my water. Don't get me wrong. I buy bottled water sometime, and I buy jug water sometime, the distilled water. I put that in here. I use that water in my coffee pot. I don't wash my dishes or myself with it, but you know. But really? What are they going to do next to us? Like, it's starting to get plain crazy. It is literally starting to get ridiculous. We can't trust nothing. We can't trust the food. You can't trust the people who provide your services, like your electric, gas. You got to check on your bills because they be hiding little things in it. Y'all, it's crazy. But to be honest with y'all, I ain't doing no app. I ain't swiping nothing. I'm going to trust the Most High that He got me. And I'm not going to worry about these things because guess what? There is nothing I can do about it. We can't do anything. This is why I always stress, just live free, be happy. Because if you worry about this stuff, it's like it's like thing after thing. So they'll send you stuff. They'll put stuff out here. It's to make us panic, y'all. Like really real. No, I ain't the one. But I'll catch back up with y'all in a minute. Y'all see the deer? They so pretty. They are so beautiful. They started running off a little bit, but yeah, y'all, I decided to come out here. It's snowing and it's cold, but it's not bad. It ain't like that other day, them couple of days ago. That probably was like 3 or 4 days ago. It was freezing, but it ain't that bad. And the trail is clear. So yeah, I'm good. But I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with me a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this a little bit more. I got to go before it get dark because I ain't trying to be out here. If you can see behind me, there are cars over there. Like people are parked, and you got some people just watching the deers and walking in the snow like me, and they are enjoying themselves, couples and stuff like that. I think that's really cute too. I used to like walking in the snow, holding hands, making snow angels and stuff. I still can make snow angels by myself and be cool with that. Or with my grandbabies, I could do that as well. But yeah, guys, today is a great day, and I'm gonna end out this vlog by saying, always remember to do what? Love yourself. Hold on. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah. Y'all, look, I've been driving. Let me pull up this way because people be looking all in your damn car. But I've been driving for, all right, I know my seatbelt is off. I've been driving for, I've been doing left. Like, I think I mentioned to y'all, let me see something. I think I mentioned to y'all that I do that, right? They sent me a thing talking about I did X amount of rides. We're going to find out. I'm going to see. This ain't good enough. I'm going to see if the math is mathing. But I'm about to run into Aldi's right here real quick. Grab me some cold coffee. And I think I need some peanuts. And I got to use the bathroom. Y'all, drinking all this water, y'all be carrying around one of these all the time. It's like, you got to pee, okay? And I put lemon in mine. Real lemon, I squeeze it in there. That's probably what made me have to go to the bathroom too. But I'm about to run in there. I'm really going to end the vlog now because I want to go home. It's like almost 7 o'clock and I need to eat. Stay tuned because I think on my other channel I'm going to make some soup. I don't know when, but we're going to do that. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me, okay? Hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful, like, glorious and amazing holiday season. For all you who celebrate and for the ones that don't, you ain't missing nothing. Save your money, because I am. Nah, but for real, yeah, I think I scratched my lip, too. All right, y'all, I'm out. I gotta go. Bye.